This is my 1912 18-inch Crescent planer. Just finished the restoration on it a couple weeks ago. Just finished fine-tuning it. You can see I've been playing around with it. Lots of shavings on the floor. Has a 5 horsepower GE motor. Square cutter head. Plate you can see down there is how you adjust the speed of the feed rollers. A little friction wheel, you adjust it so it moves up or down. Further up on that plate, the faster it goes. Closer to the center, slower it goes. And you adjust that by that hand wheel there. To engage it, there's a handle right here that forces that pressure plate over into the friction wheel. Did some pinstriping on it. Painted the base satin black. Then I used some gloss black for a little bit of contrast. This is a third Crescent machine I've restored. The other one's a joiner, stuck over here in the corner. It's about 1905, it's also an 18-inch. Then my 20-inch bandsaw, about 1914. And that was, I restored that one just before the planer. And I'll go ahead and run it here in a second. Okay, I got the planer set up to run a piece of Elk's 12-inch wide maple through it. Kick it on, takes a second to wind up the speed. That clicking noise you can hear is clips on that belt. Kind of annoying, but anyways, there it is.